all the suspension work is going to come last. Let's tear into this thing. Because this thing needs some help. And we're going to repair what we can. I know I'm going to need a new one of these, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on the list. No, I'm going to need a new one of those. There's certain things that I will keep and certain things I won't. Like idler rollers, I like not repairing. I'd rather just buy new ones. A little loosener up there. Did I put that on my shopping list? No, I did not. I didn't know. Oh, Lord. That crankshaft pulley looks like doo-doo. Wait a minute. Back. I might be able to fix that. If I'm not able to fix it, I can always put it on the list here in a minute. Oh, wait. Which one comes off first? Oh, this one. Then the belt. Then that. Okay. I already put that on the list. Okay. Timing cover, I might be able to fix. Need a fuel filter. Go ahead and put that on there. Before we pull that off, we're gonna go here. We're gonna get a new throttle body for sure. Because I can get a performance one. Let's go ahead and get this turbo out of our way. We can get a performance one of those, so I'm just going to buy a new one. Gonna get a new manifold, because I want a performance one of those too. Loosen her up on that one. Loosen her up on that one. Loosen her up on that one. Good God. Okay, let's get... Oh, no, that's attached to the head. Okay. Oil filter I4. Alright, let's get this cover off. Like I said, I can go through and add these to the list later if I need to buy a new one. Oh, my Jesus. Gonna go ahead and add that to the list because I got a feeling I'm not going to be able to repair that. Let's go ahead and put that on the list. I don't know how many. There we go. We'll just do it that way. We're going to add the camshaft to the thing too because I know I can get one of those performance-wise. The only one that needed loosener up. Huh. Alright. Why can't we pull the head off? What are we missing? Oh, plugs. Glow plugs at that. 2, 3, 4. Let's pull those guys out of there. Yeah, we don't have Sparkies in this bad boy. We have glow plugs. This is why I wanted to do a diesel, because it is definitely different than what we usually do. We're going to flip this thing just right the hell on over. Wait a minute. Going to add that to the list just to be on the safe side, because I'm not sure if these repair or not. Okay, so gonna put 1. Wait, those repair half the time, so not gonna do that yet. 1, maybe. Okay, we're gonna have to see what repairs and what doesn't before we really make a list. Okay. Pull that one. Pull that one. Pull that one. I know I cannot take this out yet because I gotta take the flywheel and whatnot off first. And we're gonna need one of those. I had a feeling all this would be rusty. This whole clutch mechanism is all dead. Now the camshaft should come out. Oh wait, caps. That might help. Do 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 do. Now camshaft, come here. And now block, come here. Awesome! Look at that. Alright, let's... Okay, hang on. There are certain things that I need to just get rid of. Flywheel, get rid of. Clutch plate, get rid of. That, get rid of. Need to put that on the list. This takes regular pistons. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Already put the glow plugs on there. I am going to be getting a performance head. Sorry about the cough. I already put the camshaft on the list, so sell it. I did not put the oil filter on there a while ago, so we're going to do that. Sell that, sell that, sell that, sell that. I already put the oil filter on the list. Already put the belt on the list. All the idler rollers need to go away. No, wrong button. Need to look at my shopping list. I got a long list. Did I put... Yes, I did put the alternator on there. Okay. Ah, damn it. I put 2 of them on there. Oh well, I can put 1 back in storage. I don't know if I had a belt tensioner on there, so that's going to go. Alright, let's see what we can fix. Oh, we're only going to be able to fix 2 items? Are you serious? Well, I destroyed the one. So we're going to need that. We're going to need that. We're going to need 2 of those. We're going to need 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I put the block? No. Need to look at my list. Okay, I did put the block on there. Okay. So I'm going to start deleting parts as I've put them on the list. Think I put the oil pan on there twice, but, you know, shit happens. Already put them on the list. I know I did. I didn't... Yeah, I did put those on there. Gonna need one of those. Delete it. Gonna need one of those. Gonna need that. There's a lot more to this that I need than I thought. Give me a moment, chat. I will be right back. Alright, I'm back, chat. Give me just a second, though. I gotta send a message before I forget to. Okay, we're gonna have to go and start just buying stuff, chat. Alright, let's open the shopping list. There's certain things we're gonna get from here and certain things we're not. So, gonna buy our power steering pump. Yep. Can't get the pulley here. Can't get the water pump here. Fuel filter. Need that. Throttle, for sure. Intake manifold, for sure. Turbocharger. Okay, can't get the rocket arm here. Can't get the caps here, but we can get the camshaft itself. Ooh, we can get performance glow plugs. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Piston with Conrad. Need 4 of those, Johns. Got to get the rings in the other section, I believe. Yeah. Get us a performance head. Oil filter, we got to get in another spot. Tensioner, we got to get in another spot. Can we get a block? No, we got to go to the regular for a block. Got to get a regular shaft, sadly. Can we get... No! Dang it. I did it, chat. I did a thing. Well then. I think that's all we can get here anyway, so close that, go back. Go here. Wait. Before we get away from here. Buy it. Buy it. Buy it. Okay. Oh, that was the other thing I forgot. Need that. Glad I looked at the air filters while I was in here. Alright, so we're just going to start buying what we need. We're just going to work our way down the line. I need 2 of those. Need 2 of those. Need a cranker pulley. Need a water pump. Need 1 cam gear, not 2. Even though I use cam gears on everything. I wish we could get performance rocker arms, but, you know, this game doesn't believe in performance rocker arms. Need 5 of these jams. Need 1 oil pan, not 2. Need 3 bearing caps. Need only 4 rod caps, not 5. I don't know why I put 5. Already got the pressure plate. I need the bearing. Need 4 rings. Need that filter. Get us an engine blocky black. Because we could not repair ours. Alright, and there was only one thing I was missing, and that was the engine, cover for the top. So, you know what, hang on. We're just gonna do it this way. Nope. I4. There we go. That's the one we need. Because it's got a D on it for diesel. There's a bunch of different ones in here. This is crazy. I wish you could put the diesel, the i4 diesel in for like any i4 engine. Because look at this, there's two different superchargers for an i4. There's the diesel one and the regular one. And there's like, I think, two different i4 engines in this game, if I remember right. Alright, let's go to the paint shop and get our stuff painted up real quick before we start throwing it back together. Okay, so, engine black. Thinking of going with black or white. Black hides everything. But if I do white, it just does that. We're doing black. And we're doing it matte black. If it's going to be black, it's going to be matte black. Now this is a different story. Let's see if we can do this on white. It doesn't change much. This is kind of messed up. If you do it purple, it definitely changes it. But we're going to do it anyway, because I don't want it to be shiny. The only shiny parts are the performance parts. Okay, now this is what I hope will go like white. Nope. It's still going to be a shiny part. Well, we're just going to make it black then. Because it's only the internals that you won't see, except for the back here, which that actually looks good with that red. Can I make this, like, look better, please? It goes gray. What the fudge? Oh, that's messed up. If I do that, the diesel turns black instead of staying white. Screw it. Because white don't look right. It turns it gray instead of white. Ooh, I can paint this? What? No. I can actually paint a performance part for the exhaust. That's kind of surprising. Ooh, it'll actually go white though. Nice. I'm actually kind of surprised. Oil pans, those always look nice when they go white, but this one goes kind of grayish. But, you know what? Oh well. It looks more white than gray. I think I'm going to leave the oil filter as blue. No, it's going to be against the black block. So we're going to make it white. Or not. Because it don't do anything. We're going black. The oil filter will just blend in. Wow. There's so much stuff you can actually paint that it's not even funny. Like this engine allows you to paint more than others. I'm trying to do some of the accessories in white just because, you know, it needs to look different. But we'll do that in black. This engine's mostly going to be black, except for certain pieces. Apparently. Ooh, I can do all the covers. All the covers are going to be weird. The only way it doesn't look weird is in red. What in the flip? Okay, well, I guess they'll be black. That's kind of depressing. Because even this in white looks gray. And I don't want to do shiny because I don't, you know, it's motor. Is that all of my options? Yeah, that's all my options. Okay. Well, let's go put a motor together. Do 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 do. Alright, so we're gonna get this motor built. And then I'm going to end stream and take a break. And then come back. We're not going to put the engine in the car until after the suspension is done, of course. Why did I buy 4 of these? I don't know. Put that rod cap on there before we forget about it. Well, at least the oil pan sticks out. Go ahead and put our fuel filter on there. Actually, do our power steering pump first. The alternator's going to be shiny. Because those never paint. I think we got to get the head on here. Yeah, we got to get the head on here before we can put anything else on. I don't want to put the internals in yet. I want to put my glow plugs in. Performance ones. Now I know why I bought so many of these. Because I needed so many. That is a really shiny camshaft. And I love it. One more. Got that in there. Let's get our rocker arm in here. Let's get our engine cover put on here. It's nothing really too fancy. that shiny exhaust on there. Or shiny turbo. Get our throttle on there. That actually looks nice. Yeah, don't look bad. Alright, let's get our timing covers on. Oh, we gotta do these one at a time, I guess. Look at that. Okay, well, at least that don't look bad. Is that all there is to this engine? Really? I'm surprised there's like no wires or anything. I'm used to some sort of ignition wires. Like I figured there'd be glow plug wires at least. I'm not missing anything, am I? Did I really build that quick? Go into photo mode here. Because I want some pictures of this thing. Alright, well, the engine's built. Oddly enough, it was like nothing to it. When we come back, we're gonna get to doing some body work and working on the suspension. There's gonna be some painting for the suspension because there's actually disc brakes all the way around, which will be nice. And we'll continue getting the rest of this. So, I will see y'all on the next episode. Y'all have fun. Don't name it after me. But, have a good day. I'll see you next time.